Hey guys, it's Chris and Shonan, and today is Tuesday, February the 3rd, 2026, here in Chigasaki, Japan. Now, what's the significance? Why am I doing a video on February 3rd of 2026? Well, it's because today is Setsubun. Now, what Setsubun is, it's a traditional Japanese holiday where you basically say goodbye to all the bad shit that happened to you in the previous year, and you make a wish and you hope for good stuff and good fortune to come your way in the following year. Now, there's some really cool traditions that are associated with Setsubun. The best one, at least for those who like food, like me, and for those who like sushi, like me, is ehomaki. Now, this is a tuna ehomaki that I'm going to eat, and the significance or how you do it is you can't cut it. That's the first rule. Don't cut it. You have to eat it whole. Seems reasonable. The second thing you have to do is once you start eating, you cannot stop eating. Obviously, you can stop to eat or you can stop to breathe, but you can't stop to talk. You can't laugh. There's nothing like that. Otherwise, you're not doing it right. Now, it's not about perfection. It's the intention that matters. Now, there are some other things that go along with this. So when you eat your ehomaki, you are supposed to face the lucky direction for this upcoming year. Now, the lucky direction this year, don't know how it was determined, but it's south-southeast. I am facing south-southeast. I'm in my dining room right now, actually making this video, and I'm about to eat my ehomaki facing south-southeast. So if you have the general part down, you're doing it right. It's not a formal, you're doing it wrong 100% and bad things are going to happen to you if you don't do it the right way. No, a lot of times if you're here in Japan, you're going to see people standing in the parking lot of a konbini eating their ehomaki, and they may be facing a couple different directions. So I just use the compass app on my phone to tell me which direction is the right direction, and so I have it down now, 165 degrees for those of you keeping score at home. Now, the other thing that I like about this holiday is this guy. Now, I don't know if he has a name, and if he does, maybe someone in the comments could tell me what his name is, but you'll see a lot of times in the grocery stores or other stores, maybe Daiso, where they're selling costumes for the demon. Now, my wife got this at our local grocery store, and it's just kind of a fun tradition. You throw beans at him to basically say, hey, bad shit, get out of here. You're done. It's time for some new good stuff to happen to me this year. And so you'll see the costume sometimes at the store. Sometimes he has an afro with the horn sticking out, and he wears like this Tarzan loincloth. It's like a tiger striped loincloth. I don't know what the significance of that is, but it's kind of cool to see at the stores when you're walking around and you see that. So there's a couple things that you can wish for. And before I get to that, the holiday isn't about perfection, like I said. It's a small, quiet reset before the new season begins. So it's about intention. It's not about perfection. Most people in Japan do it casually. It's not a real serious thing. Kids talk, adults laugh. Plenty of people forget the direction. That's fine. You don't have to rush. And like I said, you don't have to be perfect. The wish is usually about health or harmony at home, relationships, maybe restoring some balance in your life, something you want more of in the upcoming season. Now, when I make my wish, I'm obviously not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to remain quiet, and I'm going to go ahead and eat my ehomaki. So I'm about to make my wish right now, and wish me luck. Okay, perfect. All done. So for those at home or those watching maybe outside of Japan that want to celebrate this holiday, you just go to your local store, maybe your local Japanese place, and you can pick up a sushi roll. You don't cut it, and you just do exactly what I did. Again, this is Chris and Shonan, wishing everyone a happy Setsubun, and enjoy.